Hello class, for this problem I'm going to be asking you to run the following commands. So the first problem that we're going to do, it's actually called a C interval. And in this C interval, we're going to be evaluating the mean, assuming that, well, the confidence interval for the mean, assuming that we have the actual, the standard deviation for the population. So let me give you the commands. So from the command prompt, what you're going to do is you're going to actually do stats, that first, then you're going to move all the way to test. Now, your screen may be a little bit different just because of the different models. And if you're going to be evaluating a confidence interval for the mean, in this case, you're going to be using number 7. So number 7 is called a Z interval. And you're actually evaluating the following. We're given that sigma is 12.5. The value of the mean, it's actually 7. The sample size that it's given, it's a total of 27. And then the level of confidence, or in this case the C level, it's actually going to be 90. So those are the commands. Please run it and see if you get what I'm getting. So at this point, you're going to take a picture of your screen and you're going to submit it. Let me show you the second problem. In the second problem, we're going to be running a confidence interval for the mean, but in this scenario, we do not have the standard deviation of the population. So these are the commands. You're going to go to stats. Then you're going to go to test. And test, because we do not have the population standard deviation, you're going to go all the way, well, you're going to be running a T interval. This is, in this case, number 8. Now, as you run it, the mean happens to be, for this problem, 5. The standard deviation of the sample, it's 12.5. The sample size is also 27, and the C level is 90. So at this point, we're ready to calculate, and this is going to be our T interval. And this is pretty much what I need. Take a picture of your screen. Make sure that you're matching with my outcome.